Say for example, I'm downloading this model 1.pdb is downloaded. Now I'm going to validate whether the structure is valid. So for this, tertiary structure validation. So now we predicted the structure and we want to validate whether the prediction is correct. So for that we go for some validation server and we'll go for the saves server. That is a server called as saves. Structure validation server known as saves. So I will open the save server. So if you want to validate the structure, you should have a structure. Okay. What is the speciality of this save server is that it will use, there are about 5 tools it is going to use. One is ERAT, Verify 3D, Prove, ProCheck, WhatCheck. All these servers can be accessed individually. That is, you can check this WhatCheck by using this what if server. ProCheck is a separate server is available. Prove is a separate server is available. Verify 3D is a separately available. So even though these tools are available separately, this server is actually utilizes all these 5 servers in one place so that this server becomes unique. So I will use this save server to validate whether the predicted protein is a good protein or not. Okay, so for that purpose, first we should load the protein structure. So I'm going for this pros option and then the download file. I will select the model 1, the downloaded file. Now I will run the program. See, these are the tools are available. ERAT, Verify, Prove, WhatCheck, ProCheck. So of this, now at present this Prove is not available. Only ERAT, Verify, and WhatCheck and ProCheck servers are available. So we are going to submit our proteins for these servers. So once the servers validate our protein, they will give a result. Okay, so you will get the results. Now you can see this, the results of 2 servers. You can see this Verify 3D will say the structure is not up to their expectation. So they expect around 80% of the that is score should be greater percentage they should get, but only we have around 63%. So it is saying that the structure is not good. Similarly, ERAT server will give a quality factor of 11.2994 result, and you can also see this WhatCheck is also providing some errors. So this green color indicates positive output, yellow color is warnings, red color will consider as an errors of this protein structure. So this is how we can get the validation of our protein structure. You can, if you want to see a detailed structure, you go for this particular link, or we will wait for some time so that it will load the full output. Okay. So in the meantime, you can see now this structures. Okay, from the ERAT server, we can get the result here. See here. So this red color part indicates that the structure is not that much good. Only this yellow part will say it is okay. So that is what the output of ERAT server. If you want to download this, you can use this PDF options. Okay. So now we will see Verify 3D. What is the type of results Verify 3D will give? Say it says it's a fail, that is the structure is not up to their percentage of expectation. That is 80% is expected, it will get only 63%, and it will say where this particular protein is not up to the expectation is given in this graph. Okay, so this is what the output provided by this Verify 3D. And you can also save this image as an image format as output of this Verify 3D, and you go for this WhatCheck server. You can see the results. You can, when you select each things, it will be listed. So what is the type of error? What is the type of error it is going to give? So that things will be displayed here. Similarly, so each points you can see the changes here. So this is how you can see the output of this WhatCheck. Similarly, you can also see the output of ProCheck. See, this is the results of ProCheck. So it will give a final overall output of this protein. You can see the Ramachandran plot. You can also see here the Ramachandrans. So you can get the Ramachandran plot of our protein predictions. You can get the image will be loaded in this particular page. Once it is ready, it is not yet completed. That is why it is not loading. So once it is ready, you can see the image here. So that result already shows here that there are about 0.6% of the protein are present in the disallowed region. Only 69.9% is in the core region. So that is how we can get the output of this ProCheck server. So once you have the PDB structure predicted through any server, we can identify whether the protein structure is predicted correctly or not. If it is correctly predicted, to what extent it is correctly predicted, and where the errors are present in the predicted structure. So this is how we can validate the protein structures. And we can refine the structure by using, again, servers are available for refining the protein structure. By using that servers, you can change the structures, and then we submit the sequence to the server to see whether the protein of interest structure is changed or not. Okay.